Good morning from InfoCanarie Business News. Today we invite you to discover a special event, the Open House of Kenthia Luxury Villas in Fuerteventura, which will take place in October and November 2025. If you are considering a real estate investment in the Canary Islands or dreaming of a modern home in an exclusive setting, this is the perfect opportunity to get to know a unique project up close, the Kenthia Luxury Villas project. The luxury villas are being built in Villaverde de La Oliva. They are being constructed within the prestigious Casilla de Costa development. This is an innovative residential complex featuring modern, elegant, and functional villas. Each unit is designed with great attention to design, high-quality finishes, and integration with the natural landscape of Fuerteventura. The goal is to offer not just a house, but a true lifestyle made of comfort, harmony, and connection with nature. During the months of October and November, it will be possible to visit the construction site directly and enjoy a unique experience thanks to the dedicated open house days. The dates are October 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th, November 4th, 11th, 18th, and 25th. On these days, visitors will be able to access the spaces under construction, see the interiors and exteriors of the villas up close, and discover materials, finishes, and architectural solutions. It will also be possible to speak with technicians and experts who are ready to answer any questions and explain the benefits of investing in real estate in this exclusive corner of the Canary Islands. How to participate? To ensure better organization, it is necessary to book your visit at least 15 days in advance of the inspection date. You can easily do this by contacting the team via email at infocanarie@infocanarie.com or through WhatsApp at +3 4680815503. If you dream of a modern villa in a unique setting like Fuerteventura, or if you are interested in seizing a valuable real estate opportunity, the Villas Kenthia Open House Days is an event you can't miss. InfoCanarie, since 1999 providing services and solutions for safe investments in the Canary Islands.